Welcome to A Taste of Old Colony History. In this series, we're going back to school as we work with the Taunton High School Culinary Department. And with me today, I have Nolan and Izzy. The students are going to become the teachers as they cook up all the historic recipes that are inspired by the Old Colony History Museum's collections and archives and the food traditions of the Old Colony region. So it's March, which means we are making an Irish soda bread. And this one comes from one of our recipe books in our archives. It was a submission by Ginny Starvish to the Every Woman's Community Cookbook. So let's get cooking.
So today we're making soda bread, originally attributed to Ireland. Soda bread was actually first created by Native Americans. They used pearl ash, a natural form of soda from ashes and wood, which leavened the bread without the use of yeast. All right, so let's get into it.
All right, so first we'll be adding in our 4 cups of flour.
Thank you.
To that, we also have as well 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Appreciate it.
Gotcha.
So we're just gonna process this up. We're looking for a nice sort of kind of cornmeal-like consistency. Butter.
Butter, here you go.
And now we're gonna slowly add our margarine. This is where the meal really starts to come together. After it's done mixing, we're going to transfer to a large mixing bowl.
So Irish soda bread, famously nicknamed quick bread, is made through a process called chemical leavening. The alkaline in soda water, combined with the acid in buttermilk, makes carbon monoxide and bubbles.
We're going to add 1 beaten egg.
And a 1/2 cup of buttermilk.
Then we're going to mix till we get a batter-like consistency, almost like a dough. And then once everything's incorporated, 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds. You can also add raisins, but those are optional. Once that's mixed, you're gonna take some oil or pan spray. I'm using oil today. Get your paper towel, a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna grease our 8-inch cake pans. And then we're gonna divide the dough into 2 equal pieces and spread it along the bottom.
The carbon monoxide created from the alkaline causes the bubbles for it to be trapped inside, turning it into a bread instead of having to use yeast.
Good. Hold on. Now, once you have spread out your dough along your pans, you're gonna take a knife and you're just gonna score the top. You're not gonna cut all the way through, just a nice little score. You can go 1 down the middle, or you can go 3 along the side like this. And then they go into an oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes. We'll be back when those are ready. All right. So after about 45 minutes to an hour, our soda bread is ready. We're gonna take it out, turn it upside down.
Ooh. Get that out of your way.
Nice crust on the bottom, crust on the top. Take our serrated knife, cut it in half. Voila.
Oh.
You got a nice crust on the outside, nice soft texture in the middle. All right, now I'm gonna cut a slice.
Time to taste test.
For a taste
And you're
test.
gonna come over here.
Katie, over.
All right, so today we have brought a random student into our classroom to try the soda bread.
Give us your thoughts.
It's pretty good. It's soft, fluffy, airy, buttery.
All right, well,
All
safe
good
to say he
things.
liked it. All right,
All right,
Wow.
let's
all
try
right,
it.
last cut.
We'll get a taste.
You know what? Here you go.
Toss
go.
me one. We get to try the fruits of our labor.
Now the most important part, our taste test.
What do you think?
That's really good.
You can really taste the caraway in it. It's very strong.
Super soft, not dry. This is great. Excellent work, guys. Excellent work.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Better than I could ever do. Hopefully we did Ginny proud. Can't beat the soda bread.
All right, and then after.
Thanks for joining us for another Taste of Old Colony History with this back to school episode with our soda bread. Slightly mixed reviews, but I think you can slap a pat of butter on it and it'll be pretty delicious. Add in whatever optional extras you like, and we will see you next time.